Hey Simon, MEGASIMON999. I got your video response for the sounds of your EDC. It's kind of unusual, but what the hell? Never really heard of sounds of EDC, but I saw Big D's there, and then I saw yours, and then you tagged me, so I guess I'm it. So yeah, anyways, I'll get started here. I just keep paracord on me all the time. This doesn't really make a sound unless you bang it against something. I don't know if you can hear that. So yeah, that works. That'd be part of it. Alright, and then I keep my hefty amount of keys usually. I don't always keep all these keys. I usually just keep this set here, my truck and house and stuff. These are just all the locks I have to unlock. I have a million locks on here. A million things to unlock all the time, so I don't know, here's the sound of that, which I don't carry at all on me all the time, so there you go. So let's see what else I got. I got this, my Buck Nobleman. So I don't know if you can hear that. Do it one more time. There you go. It's the knife. I also keep my redundant knife. Heard that or not? There you go, the sound of that. Oh, what else? Lighter. There's the sound of that. Let's see. Let's get some change. The sound of that. Oh, what else? Cards and whatnot. There's the sound of that. Throw that up there. What else I got? Got the wallet. So there you go. Is the sound of that. And I think that's about it. I don't carry any guns on me because we're not allowed to carry guns up here, but Simon knows that. But for anyone else who's watching, we're not allowed to carry firearms. So it kind of sucks sometimes, but oh well. There's a lot of idiots out there up here that would probably do bad stuff with weapons if they don't really know about them. So anyways, those are the sounds of my EDC. So I hope that's what you guys are looking for, but yeah, there you go. Alright, man. Alright, peace.